Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Odoo to N8N step by step. Step 1. Log into your Odoo account and navigate to the developer settings. Make sure that your API access is enabled. Step 2. Generate your API key or access token under the user preferences if you're using Odoo.sh or the SaaS version. If self-hosted, make sure that you have the base URL and the credentials. Step 3. Open N8N and create a new workflow. Click the plus button and search for the Odoo node. Step 4. Create new credentials for Odoo by entering your base URL, database name, username, and API key or password. Step 5. Select the desired resource and operation. For example, create a contact, fetch leads, or update records. Step 6. Click Execute Node to test the connection. You should see a successful response from Odoo with your data. Step 7. Add additional logic to your workflow depending on what you want to automate, like syncing CRM data to Google Sheets or sending Slack alerts. And now, your Odoo system is fully connected with your N8N automation. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.